Hello everybody, so I'm back again with another video. And in this video, my wavebird has showed up. And it says wavebird right there. Now, it does work fine. There is no battery corrosion. Matter of fact, I should take that out. And to prove that it works, that light comes on and the receiver works. Now, it is very dirty. Now, you can't see it very well, but right about here, there's a thick layer of dirt and whatever. So this is going to be a restoration project. I'm also going to pop this open and clean that. Now, I have never opened a wavebird. I have never really touched a wavebird until now. So, this is going to be a learning experience. So, it seems more like the regular GameCube. You got two here, two there, two there. But there's an extra two right there. So, real quick, as possible, I'm going to unscrew them. And everything works with the controller. The sticks work, well, I can feel that the triggers work. Now the contacts may be dirty, but I'm not gonna have to fiddle around with these. So that's something nice. And when I had a problem with mine, I'm pretty sure it was for one main reason. The covers on it were put upside down. I think. One second, got one last screw. Two last screws. Three last screws. Now two. Now, if I had to assume, there is most likely some Phillips in these. And I literally just had my Phillips screwdriver, but then somehow I lost it again. Fuck it. Don't ask me how, I just did. So, after that, again, I never opened one before, but if I had to assume, it comes right off. Good. So if you're having any problems with these, then this is where you're looking for, but I do not. Matter of fact, they're actually in really good condition. No, except for some dirt. And whenever I do some washing that involves water with some of these, I usually take out these. But I don't know if I have anything small enough to fit in there. Yeah, I don't really have anything to get into that. Well, that kinda sucks. Alright, so I'm gonna put that to the side. And here we got the wavebird itself. So, let's get to it. Oddly, that was stuck down, and so is this one. So these contacts right here are a little dirty, so I'm going to clean those off. These contacts. So for that, I take Q-tip and 91% rubbing alcohol and just rub it onto the contacts. Just like this. And also, this stuck on my... And also, these contacts right there. And now, most likely, if you have been using your wavebird, okay. So most likely, if you've been using your wavebird for a while and haven't been taking good care of it, these will probably be worn out. So you can take them off and replace them with different caps. You can find other caps on eBay, but I wouldn't recommend that. And as you can see, it's kind of dirty in there. Let's do the same one with the C-stick. Get off. Now, I will be keeping those on because they have these. And after that, what I usually do is clean these out with rubbing alcohol. So let me get to that. And also, these are actually pretty good sticks because when you push them back, they snap right back into place. So after that, if you don't have any problems with the board itself, which as far as I know I don't, then put it aside as we get to the main case. So, take these off, push out the buttons. Simple as that. And nothing too special. And if you pop out the buttons like I do, you want to carefully pop out the start button, the start and pause, because that button is very small and will easily get lost. This works kind of like a Game Boy Advance power on and power off switcher, as that it has a bump right there, so it feels like you're pushing a switch. Now my question is, where does the light go? Oh, it's right there. Okay. Okay. So after that, you want to clean these plastics. Now, I'm gonna do that in another episode that will be coming out right after this one. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these items apart and I'm going to stop the video, clean them, wait for them to dry, and then upload the videos. Hopefully, they will upload. There we go. not gonna get in any more deeper shit than this, because that doesn't look fun. So, real quick, I'm gonna put the screws back in on this, and end the video, which may take a few seconds. There we go. Alright, so that is the end of this video, obviously. So, if this helped you at all, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.